What's up everybody, it's me Sergio with Mobility Direct. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about something that honestly a lot of people in the industry avoid talking about, and that is automatic folding mobility scooters. Now before anyone gets upset, this is not a hate video at all. There are actually a few automatic folding mobility scooters that I highly recommend, but there are a few very important things to talk about before you consider spending thousands of dollars on one, such as the fact that most of the biggest manufacturers out there like Golden Technologies, Bride Mobility, Aficam, stay away from manufacturing automatic folding mobility scooters altogether. Now make sure you stay tuned to the very end of the video because I'm going to tell you a secret about auto folding scooters that no dealer is talking about. I'm also going to put a hidden message on the screen somewhere towards the end of the video. The first 20 people to spot it get access to an exclusive discount code that'll save you big on your next purchase at mobilitydirect.com. Now let's talk about the obvious. Auto folding scooters are awesome because they fold with the push of a button. And that's pretty darn neat. Not gonna lie, it's very appealing at first glance. They're incredibly useful for going on vacation, whether you're taking an airplane, going on a cruise ship, going on an Uber ride, just putting it in the trunk of the car. Super compact, super convenient, doesn't require any real labor or strength to fold it, right? Well, unfortunately, that's not all true. You see, most folding mobility scooters like this one here weigh around 50 to 60 pounds. Even for a guy like me, that's heavy. Putting that in the trunk of the car is gonna require some strength, and if you've got lower back pains like me, it's not going to be easy, especially for customers that are in their 60s or older. Now here's something else most people don't talk about. Folding mobility scooters like this one that automatically fold have a ton of extra electronics like gearboxes, relays, actuators, all of which are prone to fail in the long run. More failure points, more replacement costs, more repair costs. Now before we go any further, I just want to say if you want to learn more about our products, make sure you claim a copy of our free product catalog. Claim a copy. Just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also just click on the top right-hand corner of the screen now, or call the number below and give your address to one of our non-commissioned sales experts. We're A-rated with the BBB, licensed and accredited as a medical equipment provider, and we'd love to earn your business. Now let's get back to the video. Now this is where my perspective might differ from a lot of the other YouTubers in the industry out there. Because we don't just sell scooters, we repair them too. I've been fixing mobility scooters for over a decade. And I can tell you, automatic folding mobility scooters are the most frequently repaired scooters that we deal with. Not only that, repairing them is a lot more time consuming because everything is so compact and tightly organized into the chassis and under the little body panels. Kind of like a cell phone, right? They make them so compact and there's so many electronics in there, it's really hard to open them up and replace parts. It takes way more time, way more billable hours compared to a traditional basic mobility scooter. Now, with all that being said, there are some companies in this category that I trust more than others. And honestly, support matters just as much as the scooter itself. Because even the best scooter becomes a nightmare if you can't get parts, technical support, or warranty help. And that's why two models stand out to me. The Transformer 2 by Enhanced Mobility and the Transport Autofold by EV Rider. These companies have consistently been there for us when we need help supporting our customers. When we need parts or warranty support or even just technical support to troubleshoot scooters, they're there to help us every step of the way. Now personally, I think the Transformer 2 is probably the best automatic folding mobility scooter on the market. And the reason is simple. It feels like one of the few auto folding mobility scooters that was designed by people who actually thought about long-term ownership. It comes with suspension, a comfortable seat, adequate floor space, adjustable tiller controls, a USB charger, anti-tip wheels, and most importantly, a manual override system, which is huge because if the battery dies while the scooter is folded, many automatic folding mobility scooters become incredibly difficult to open back up. But the Transformer 2 has a manual release lever that allows you to manually unfold the scooter to access the battery. That tells me the company actually thought about real-world ownership problems. And honestly, that matters to me more than flashy marketing and a modern design. Now, I also want to talk about who these scooters are best suited for. If you travel regularly, if you take cruises, go on airplane rides, use Uber all the time, or if you have limited storage space in your vehicle, or if you just struggle to manually fold or unfold or disassemble traditional mobility scooters, an automatic folding scooter might be perfect for you. But if your priority is durability, off-road use, repair simplicity, rough terrain performance, or long-term ruggedness, you may actually be happier with something like a buzz-around carry-on or a go-go scooter instead. And honestly, that's why I personally lean more towards manual folding or disassembling scooters for long-term ownership. They just have fewer delicate electronic components that could fail down the road. Now, if you want to see our top-selling automatic folding mobility scooters and some of the manual folding scooters that we consider our top sellers in a comparison style deep dive review video, stay tuned for the next video. You're not going to want to miss it. And did you know that part of every sale here at Mobility Direct goes towards funding our next giveaway? That's right. We donate mobility scooters and wheelchairs to people in need all the time, including veterans and individuals that are struggling to get around. We actually document a lot of these giveaways right here on our YouTube channel. If you want to see those reaction videos, I'll put the link in the top right-hand corner and in the description of this video. And if you want to support this mission, subscribe to the channel, comment on any of our videos, share our video on your Facebook page, or consider shopping with Mobility Direct. Together, we can make a difference, one mobility device at a time. And don't forget, we randomly select people who subscribe and comment on our videos to become our next giveaway winner. So make sure you're subscribed and leave a comment below. All right, everybody. Well, I hope you learned something about automatic folding mobility scooters in this video. Again, they're not bad products. You just need to learn the pros and the cons before you invest in one that costs thousands of dollars. And again, that's what makes our YouTube channel special. We're here to give you real, honest advice, not biased advice just to get you to buy a mobility scooter that doesn't really make sense for your needs. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. Your support, your viewership means the world to us. Now make sure you stay tuned for the next video because you're going to learn something no other dealer is talking about regarding folding mobility scooters. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye. Say bye.